Today's video, we are unboxing the December TOYL box, Time of Your Life. Hi there guys and welcome. It is bloody December. What? Yeah, today's video we've got the December TOYL box to go through. This feels kind of heavy, but yeah, I am going to find something to cut this open with so we can have a little sneak peek. So if you would just like to hit that subscribe button, give it a little tap, it's just down there. Come and join my YouTube family, I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well, it will just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I'm really hoping that you do like it, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. So this is the most expensive box I pay for monthly. For me, because I joined before the price increase, this is £35 per month. But the prices did go up and now it is £40 a month for new subscribers. I will link it down below if you are interested in getting this for yourself. I think there's a code, I don't know if it works, so check it out. It's called HELLO in capitals and I think it gets you 50% off. I found it on the website a little while ago. I don't know if it still works, so yeah, you'll have to double check on that. This is inside the box. So this box is aimed at the more mature skin type, 35-40 plus. But you can get this while you're younger. There's no harm in prepping your skin before you start seeing those fine lines and wrinkles. I started a little bit late, so I'm playing catch up. But in the box we have this. This is the edit card. It has the information on all the products in here, which is absolutely fabulous. It says here that this box has a value of £116.99. Always so neat and tidy in here. Just lifted all the products up so you can have a sneak peek there. I'm really liking some of them brand names that I can see. But without further ado, let's just get straight in here. Going back to the edit card, if we open it up, there's a big long note there which I really can't be bothered to look at because I'm lazy. It says here, Me Time. Is that the edit name? It is now. The first product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Aromatherapy Associates and it's a Revive Bath and Shower Oil. It has an RRP of £55 and it's got 55 mils in here, it just so happens. Let's have a look. This blend energizes and awakens. This is the one early morning wake up call you'll actually appreciate. A double espresso without the caffeine. It got chosen because it's revitalizing and gives you a wonderful feeling of being alive. Yeah, I mean, the packaging for one feels oh so bougie. Just trying to take the tape off. So we take the lid off. Yeah, it is in a little bit bougie packaging. Ooh. It is glass. What is in there? Oh, it's just a little leaflet in there. I'm gonna have to have a whiff of this. This feels so bougie. Spend a few minutes inhaling the invigorated grapefruit oils together with energizing notes of rosemary and refreshing juniper berry to innovate your body and mind, leaving you ready to face whatever day it has in store. Yeah, and you can really smell all of that in there. That is absolutely gorgeous. It would make a great gift for somebody. I choose to give this to me. So the second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Temple Spa and it's a Duvet body cream. This has an RRP of £34 and it says this luxurious body cream is for you to totally enjoy. Dry skin is a real thing in the winter, but this cream will banish any patches that you have. Very lightly fragrance, so use after your bath or shower. It's a moisturising aromatherapy body cream to help calm and soothe and hydrate your skin. It's luxurious. Advanced hydrated moisturiser is designed to wrap your body with hydrating and firming ingredients, leaving your skin smooth, toned and deliciously fragranced. This silky, lightweight formula wraps your skin in a comforting blanket of moisture and its exquisite texture leaves a cashmere touch. Oh, I certainly know how to describe things and this just sounds oh so fabulous. So this is what it looks like. Very bougie. I do like a bit of bouge. So we'll just open this up. Ooh. She's thick. I can tell just by looking at that. She's very thick. Oh, Wow. I'm dropping the packaging. Right, let's just put that on there. Oh wow, I put way too much on there. That feels gorgeous, and the scent on that, yeah, it's not strong and overpowering, it's just deliciously good. Oh yeah, I absolutely love that. That is so beautiful. So the third item in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Parks London. Oh, and it's a candle. Lime, basil and mandarin. That sounds deliciously good. It has a value of £18. Sunny, fresh and zesty, our lime, basil and mandarin is one of our best sellers. The unmistakable zinginess of lime and sweetness of mandarin are perfectly balanced with peppery basil and a touch of white woods for warmth. The impression of bringing the summer indoors, perfect for all rooms whenever you want uplifting freshness and clean sensation. Oh, we have to have a whiff of this. It's really heavy. So this is what it looks like. Ooh. Oh yeah, everything they've mentioned there, you can smell it. That is so good. How long does this burn for? I don't know how long this burns for. I can't see it anywhere. Oh, but that scent is fabulous. Freaking fabulous. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check out their website, Parks London website, to see what other fragrances they do, because that is out of this world. The product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Space Mask, and it's a heated eye mask. It has a value of £5, and it says this little pouch contains a self-heating eye mask which will transport you to another dimension, relieving tiredness, eye strain and many other earthly tensions. The warmth comes alive as you open the sachet, so make sure you're fully reclined, ready for liftoff. Yeah, I do, I'm pulling faces. I do love heated eye masks. I do. I just think they're such a waste because they're disposable. It's not going to heat up again. Once it heats up and then cools down, it's not going to heat up again. You can, I suppose, use it just as a normal eye mask, but remember, it's supposed to be disposable. You can't wash this, so be careful with germs, especially around the eye area. I do have a Renfrew heated eye mask that I love to use. I'll link the video up the top there, make sure to check that one out. But yeah, these are certainly handy when you're traveling and so on. Yeah, what do you think? The fifth and final product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Dr. Popo, and it's a 4-in-1 face serum. Ah, okay. It has a value of £4.99. It just says, our gorgeous skin 4-in-1 face serum is the ultimate multi-purpose superhero. This vegan formula effectively delivers multiple skin benefits by combining 4 serums in one, saving you time, space and money. Suitable for all skin types, this supercharged serum can be used twice daily and is powered by hyaluronic. I probably said that wrong, I do apologise. Which provides nourishing, soothing effects of the papaya extract, teamed with 8 hyaluronic acid, which absorb into all 5 layers of the skin for instant and long-lasting hydration, resulting in super soft skin. Yeah, cool. I honestly, when I saw this, I thought, oh great, another lip balm. Or multi-balm. But no, it's an actual face serum. I mean, it's teeny tiny, but hopefully a little goes a long way. Ooh, it's got vitamin C in here. That's cool. Vitamin C and bak choli. Oh yeah, that's absolutely great. Yeah, I'm going to put that straight in my little skincare box that I've got on my beauty desk that I use daily, and I'm going to have to try that out ASAP. Right guys, so this is the Me Time edit, the December TOYL box, Time of Your Life. What do you think? Personally, I actually think this box is amazing. I love the brands that are in this box. So we have some bougie products here, and then we have a couple of affordable everyday products, and they are all fabulous. I actually really like all of them. Comment your thoughts down below. Do you think this box is worth £40 per month? For the brands and products that you get in here, I would say yes. Well, I obviously I buy it, so I must think so. Everything is linked down below if you want to try it out for yourself. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.